Hey stars, welcome back to the channel. It's Somto here, and if this is the first time you're coming across me, hey boo, how are you doing? It is so lovely that you stopped by today. Please do well to stay, okay? Because I promise you on this channel I have a lot of fun, gorgeous, unique, interesting, serene, and the most beautiful short hairstyles, haircuts for my black queens, and a lot of other fun stuff. I have transitions that I do myself, and stars, trust me, you are going to love them. If you don't believe me, just check one out, okay? So please do well to subscribe and join this wonderful and amazing family, okay? Stars, oh gosh, in today's video I bring the most beautiful, the most serene, the most unique, the most colorful, the most popping, gorgeous short hairstyles and haircuts for my matured black queens, for my golds, my gold. You guys know my goldies are my oldies are my goldies. My older black queens are my golds. I love them so much, and I love the uniqueness, the resilience in their smiles. Oh my goodness, there is just something so magical, something so intriguing, so beautiful about the smiles of these my gorgeous black queens. Okay, just take a look at this. How can you not love this? It is heaven on earth. They look so superb, they look so adoring, and I mean, there is this shine that is bestowed upon them, and with the transformation of their short hairstyles and haircuts, oh gosh, they look so breathtaking. Mwah! I love the resilience that they carry. The resilience is so much. I love them. Stars, please do well to enjoy watching this video, but please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, that really does help our channel a lot. And please do not forget to comment. I want to know your favorite. I want to know your favorites, okay, of this 13 short haircuts and hairstyles. I want to know your favorite, and please do subscribe to the channel, and guys, you can do well to purchase our channel membership and be the first to get exclusive videos, okay? I love you guys so very much, and till my next video I will speak to you all. Bye loves. Mwah.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.